So you harvest it?
We harvest them and we wait till they dry, and then we peel them and put the seeds.
And these are lumberjack beans.
Lumberjack.
This is a new variety that I'm reviving. I'm selecting the variety for the most vigorous and the more true to the varieties.
Soil mix?
Soil mix, yeah.
It's organic?
Yeah. 2.
Worm casting. It's your like a Wild Rose Farm mix.
Yep.
That's probably one of the first jobs you learned to do, Ryan?
Yep. One of my favorite jobs.
Your favorite job?
Yeah. And then it's ready to transplant.
That is. Okay.
So I use this. Usually I make a stack. Go in one of the holes, and then I bring the lettuce out.
Oh wow.
And then I just plant it
Very well
into
done.
the holes.
So are they mostly local products?
Yeah.
Okay.
Garlic, radishes, and here's some salted onions.
Okay.
Cauliflower pickles.
Cauliflower pickles.
They help prevent horseflies.
Just a chocolate bar. When is your stand open?
Wednesday to Friday.
Wednesday to Friday?
Yeah.
Well, when are you going to close it?
What?
Until when are you going to be open?
Christmas.
Sure.
Here we get all the produce ready. Usually I go and harvest like the lettuce, spinach, and all that stuff. I set them here, and then Gilbert does all the processing. Yeah, she rinses everything. She writes down everything.
Everything, yeah.
It's all the stuff she needs, how many. Oh, we clean because of COVID. We do this whole process Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay.
We clean everything. People sign up for the summer or fall CSA, and each week they get a bag full of produce, whatever's in season.
There is a good mix of many things.
Different flowers, yes. Variety is the spice of life.
Tomatillos.
These ones are a special color.
Oh,
They're sticky.
Yep.
Every 2 weeks.
every 2 weeks.
We take turns. We garden C 1 week, and then garden B. It only takes us about, Rebecca was an hour and a half.
An hour and a half. Wow. By 2 people.
We just finished harvesting the baking beans, and what's growing here is the green manure crop, right?
I see. So basically, whenever you harvest, you plant next thing. Right
Yes,
away,
that's
pretty
correct.
much.
That's part of the biointensive. You never leave bare ground. And we have this planted to attract the birds and the beneficial insects.
And they're really good.
Good. You really like berries, I think, Molly.
Yeah, I really do.
This is a perennial beneficial bed. It's an area in which the beneficial insects can hibernate for the winter. I call them an insectary garden.
Insectary
Yes.
garden, yes.
This is an acorn, butternut,
Buttercup.
baby blue,
嗯
hover.
We often will hatch out our own eggs. So
Right.
a lot of these chickens are crossbreds, but we have barred rocks, australops, oricanas, red layers, and chanticleer. So can you tell which one is which? That's Rasmus. He's the only one that's named.
Mm. That's the one.
First of all, a cow's eyes are placed in a different spot than human eyes. The eyes are on the side of the head. So how they see and perceive things is very different. They have a blind spot, just like a car. When you are physically in their blind spot, you can be very intimidating. And cows, you see that their ears are almost 4 times as big as our ears. So they hear 4 times as much. So it is very important when you're around livestock not to scream in the road. A cow also has a very rough tongue. Stick up the tongue. There you go. See how the tongue is rough? See how the tongue is rough? And that's so they can hang on to the grass when they pull grass, chew grass. They like cucumbers too, don't they? This is Jules. She's the one that you pull the chain. Oh, they know who the guys are that have them. Most livestock, if you want to move them, yeah, you're the good demo. Back up, back up. You push their chest. You don't go around their face. Because that's how animals talk when they push and pull each other. This year we're doing what they call mob grazing, and it's different principles, and it works very well.
They get brave.
And they can convert protein, grass into protein, right? And they are very efficient at converting grass into protein.
That's cucumber.
Oh,
So you can cucumber.
so you had cucumbers in your hand. They're probably smelling cucumbers. Okay, sweet. Of all the insects in the world, the bad insects are only 3%. So most of the insects in the world are good. The challenge is when you plan your crops, you have to plan to do an ecological balance. Success of an agricultural system depends on its ability to mimic the natural ecology.